Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Hello to all my family and friends, my brothers and sisters, and also my partner. And hello, shout out to all my former co-workers. Hello there. Hello Monica, I missed you. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. But anyway, tonight I'm going to make Brazilian style fish stew. They call moqueca. Moqueca. There you go. I use cod fish. You can always use any kind of white fish. Maybe mahi, Seabass, cod, or Pollock. Yes. Pollock also is white fish. Anyway, so I have got 2 pounds and I have cream. What's it called as? I have wine, and this is lime, and also chopped up onions, garlic, paprika, black pepper, salt, and I have unsalted butter, parsley, tomato, black olives, and I mix up the bell peppers, red and green, and I have broth. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's drop the butter. We just add the garlic. And the onions. I'll let it brown, light brown. Now let's add the black olive and the peppers. Cook it like 2 minutes. Now let's add the lime, the wine, and the broth. And follow all the salt, black pepper and paprika. I will add the salt later because I'm using broth, so I need to adjust that first. So I'll mix it up and we'll add the cream later. You just have to simmer this like 3 minutes. Right? And then put your heat on a medium And then we'll add the tomato. Okay, I forgot that we have 1 teaspoon of sugar. And this is the salt. And then we'll add the cream. I only need 1 cup of cream. I use cream instead of coconut milk. There you go, let it simmer for like 2 minutes, and we'll add the fish. That looks good. You adjust your sodium how you want it, and you can also add more peppers. Now before you add the fish, you need to adjust your salt. It's I already tasted. It tastes really good. This is the first time I cook this, and I not regret it. It's really good. The sauce is good. Very good. You can add also more paprika if you want more, a little bit like darker, like red. I will add mine later. This is for Mikey. This is for you, Mikey, for 1 piece only, okay? He's sick. Get well soon, Mikey. We love you. Be strong. Okay, we'll simmer that for like maybe 3, 4 to 5 minutes until the fish is cooked. Alright, now let's add some of the parsley. We just save some for garnish. That looks good. Alright, turn off your heat, and that is ready to serve. It tastes really good. Alright everyone, here is my Brazilian fish stew, they call Moqueca. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click that subscribe. And thank you in advance. Alright, see you next time. God bless.